Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so today we have a very exciting video. Now I found these on Instagram, so I'm going to give my girl credit. So thank you so much, Tammy Carberry-Harper. Now, she is on Instagram. Y'all have got to go check her out. Now I will leave her listed below in my description box. Go check her Instagram out. She is really great. She did supply me with these survey spoilers. These are about to blow you away. There are palettes, more palettes by BoxyCharm, and there's more than eye palettes. There's eye palettes, there's face palettes, and there's just so much stuff. I'm just so excited for this video, y'all. And these are possible future sneak peeks, spoilers from BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is doing their own thing. They are making products, so this is real exciting, guys. So anyways, if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on new spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was my review of the Berta Flat Iron. Well, thank you so much, Jenny Meadows. Jenny says, good Saturday to you, Mandy. I flat iron my hair too. Have a great weekend. Well, Jenny, thank you so much, honey. Yeah, I got to do something with this mop because it gets kind of wild, especially right before the rain. So it does need straightening quite often. And Jenny, I really appreciate you having your bell set and coming and watching the video. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now we do have, I think, 30 products here. All the palettes I'm about to show you are made by BoxyCharm. I just couldn't believe it. Y'all, they're going behind our backs, making palettes and everything else. So again, these are possibly future spoilers. You might see these coming in future BoxyCharm boxes. So guys, let's go ahead and dive in. I'm so excited about this, guys. This is just so cool. I mean, just to see everything that they've been doing behind the scenes. And they all have prices on them. Now, of course, these were sent in surveys. You know, everybody didn't get these, but the few people that did, y'all know they try to keep them a secret. But you know what? We end up finding out anyways. So let's kind of just go over everything. So the first thing we see is a 2-in-1 flat Kabuki brush set. That's valued at $15. Now, guys, I'm going to kind of run through these fast because, again, there are 30 items I'm about to show you. And now let's dive into these palettes. So these are the Hello Charmer palettes. Some of them have names, some of them don't. So let's pull up the first one. This one is valued at $35. You see these are, the eyeshadows are shaped like little triangles. It's so cute, but this is an eyeshadow palette. Now let's pull up the next one. This is a face palette valued at $35. Now they do have like glitter on the packaging. I think that's really cute. Now this one has got 2 shades in each pan. It looks like a bronzer, blush, contour, you know, just the basics. Next up, we see 2 different quad palettes. These are valued at $29. Again, they got that glitter on the packaging. There's 4 shades in each quad. Of course, it's called a quad. And one looks like it's neutral tones. One looks like it's blues. The next thing is a face palette valued at $30. This has got 4 shades. They're all together. It looks like a face, blush, bronzer, and contour, whatever you want to use them for. This kind of puts me in mind of that one palette. I can't remember what it was called. Let's go ahead and go to the next one. So the next one, again, is another face palette. Now, this has got 4 shades in it. It looks like bronzers and blushes. This is valued at $35. Next up, we have a quad eyeshadow palette. It looks like pretty big pans to be an eyeshadow palette. But it says it's valued at $2. Y'all, I think that's meant for $25. Next up is another face palette valued at $35. This is a 6-pan face palette. Next up, now this palette does have a name, I guess. It is called the Color Block Eyeshadow Palette. It's one of those big, bulky packaging type things. It's valued at $35. Next, we have a blush palette valued at $35. This has got 3 shades in it. Next up is another face palette valued, again, at $35. This is a 4-pan face palette. Next up is another face palette. Now, this has got all shades. They're all together, kind of like that one thing I was talking about. Looks like blushes and bronzers. This is valued at $30. Next is another eyeshadow palette. This is a 10-pan eyeshadow palette. This does have a name. It is called the Mother Nature Eyeshadow Palette, valued at $35. Next up is a 16-pan eyeshadow palette. They are kind of shaped like little puzzle pieces. This is valued at $40. Next up is a 12-pan eyeshadow palette, again with those like shaped like little puzzles. This is valued at $30. Now this next thing, guys, this is called the Russian Doll Lip Tint. I don't know if this is BoxyCharms or not, y'all. I really don't know. It looks like a nail polish to me, but this is valued at $18. Next up is the Rice Milk Cleansing Powder. This is valued at $18. And then we have this translucent setting powder. Looks very interesting. Next, these are 12 Pin Eyeshadow Palettes. Now, there's 4 different ones. They are each valued at $40. Oh, sorry, editing Mandy here. You know, while editing, I was looking at this picture. All 4 of them are the same palette, so I believe this is just one palette. Next up is a magnetic eyeshadow palette. These got 12 shades in them, valued at $38. Next, we're getting into brush sets and stuff like that. So the first one is like the sprinkle brush set, or that's what it's called on there. It looks like a 5-piece brush set, valued at $40. Next up is a sponge and powder brush duo. Now this is valued at $20. Next, we got these silicone coated sponges. Now, these are supposed to come with 3 pieces, 3 different sponges, and it's valued at $30. And then next up is the makeup blending set, and it does come with a spatula. That's like where you mix your foundations and all that good stuff. That is valued at $30. Next up, this one's called the bow brush set. It is a 2-piece valued at $30. Then next is a body brush. This is a body brush with a handle valued at $30. And the next one is another body brush, again valued at $30. And then next is an antibacterial face brush set. Looks like there's 4 pieces with this. That is valued at $45. Next up is a 5-piece eye brush set valued at $20. Looks like it comes with a case right there. It's orange. It's really bright. Really cute. And then last but certainly not least is a 2-sided brush set. It is 4 and 2, valued at $40. I would just call this a dual brush. Hell, I don't know, y'all. So, guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. Are you excited to see palettes like this? Of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know, I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. And guys, remember to go over there to Instagram and visit Tammy, Carberry-Harper. She does get these spoilers in quite often. You need to go check my girl out. She's always got something interesting on her Instagram. Tammy, again, thank you for sending these to me, honey. Now, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much. Marianne, is it Dyseri? I hope I said that right. I probably just butchered that, Marianne. Honey, I'm so sorry. Anyways, Marianne says, love these new kind of videos. Well, Marianne, honey, I really appreciate that. The spoilers are my most popular videos, but I do have the occasional video where I do film myself, and I really appreciate you always watching my videos, honey. It just warms my heart. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube takes my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.